So Sam spent the night at my house because of car troubles last night, and I'm gonna wake him up with this, and I'm gonna feel really bad about it, but it's gonna make for a good video.
Oh my god.
Hello, Sam. This is early morning air horns.
I just punched in this direction.
I know, dude. You totally punched the air.
About peed my pants.
I was gonna come in here and hand you your phone earlier, and I thought, I was like, dude, if he's falling back asleep, I'm doing it
Dude,
again.
that one was... I didn't react as much, but that one scared the poo. Yeah! Period.
Totally just nailed you, camera.